Hey garden friends, this is RB the Garden Nanny. I am doing another review. I first of all want to say I am so grateful to be able to get free stuff. It is so nice to be able to review it, especially if it's something that is going to benefit your garden. And this is what this is going to do for my garden. This is a retractable hose reel, and I have not taken it out the box, but I am very excited because this is one of the best free things that I've had to review. So let's get started. This retractable hose reel is something that you do not have to attach to your wall of your home. You don't have to erect a post to put it on. It comes with this very nice wand. I like the kind that just goes back and forth, and it has lots of different settings: shower, vertical, angle, center, mist, flat, soaker, cone, rinse, shower, you know, the usual. I'll show you where this goes. And these are some items that you need to get it all put together. And this thing is nice looking. This thing swivels 360, which is very, very nice. This is where the hose is all wound up. And if it ever gets off of kilter, you can just get in here and put it back where the way it's supposed to be. Okay. Has a nice little handle, and at the bottom there's slats where you can put these stakes. You can stake it in the ground, or you can stake it on a cement slab. I'm definitely not doing the cement slab, but I'm going to most likely stake it to the ground here. And I like that because I don't have wall space to just erect it on my wall. These are the 4 stakes that come with this hose reel, and you just hammer it down in those slats. This also comes with a 1 by 5 3/4 foot leader hose, which is very nice. Sometimes you have to purchase those individually. It comes with it. You're needing to put this on a flat surface. I'm connecting the sprayer to the hose. And this little gadget goes on the side here. Just like that. It sits right in here. On this side, you connect this, and this goes into the wall socket. This is the hose reel that I am replacing with the new retractable one. This is by Ely. I really like it. It is a heavy hose reel, for one, and then you have to use the crank to, you know, bring the hose back up. I'm glad I got this other one to review because, one, it's really, really light. I don't have to use a crank to crank the hose back. It retracts by itself. And did I say it was 84 feet? But that is plenty for where I'm going to be using it in my front garden. This is going to now be put in my backyard. Right over here by Priscilla. I'm going to put it down in this section where I can tap the stakes down into the ground here. Further back like this. So it is tacked down to the ground. I don't have to worry about it tumbling over when I go to retract the 82-foot hose. I don't have it attached to the faucet just yet, or the spigot, but I'm going to show you how it retracts and how far it goes. Here it goes. Oh my gosh, you gotta love that. I now have it hooked up to the spigot. Mine is pretty intricate because of my drip irrigation, but it's a tee-off where there's the drip irrigation and also the hose. So I'm going to show you how I use the hose just in this front bed right here. First, I'm going to retract. Okay, and just say I want to spray. Just say I want to spray this front bed. I'm going to pull it off some. Stop it right there. Turn it on. That is on the center. Vertical shower is most likely what I will use, and I'm loving it. And put it on the whole bed. I have to say, I really love this thing. It makes watering so easy, and I love how compact it is. But oh my gosh, I am so excited. If you are interested in this retractable hose, I will link it in the description box below, and you can get your own. I'm sure you will love it, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.